Good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and in a really crappy, sucky tape, there are some things that are calming down a bit, at least to a point where you can watch them and look for some clear trades. And one of them here is Palantir. Peter Thiel, one of my idols for various reasons, founded this company. And they do business with both government and private enterprise. So they've kind of got the whole thing covered until Musk goes to Mars, and then they'll probably be doing business up there too. IPO, the company you could see the big massive ride this is on, but the initial print here was right around $10. Well, the stock came all the way down round trip and tested that $10 level. And by the way, this is something from the very top to the very bottom, over 75% fall. That's what happens with a lot of these high flyers. But now we've tested $10, run back up above the 50-day moving average for a kind of an aborted breakout, and then now a pullback. And where is this holding up? Right around $12. Now, this would be a very speculative buy right here. So if you're a speculator, buy. And keep your stop just a little bit below yesterday's intraday low, 1188. That's below the 1252 50-day moving average. So you'd keep your stop, well, basically right where this line is, something like that. Or you could wait. You could watch the stock, and if it breaks out above this level, in other words, to a new April high, then that's when you would buy it. Or you could split the difference. You could take some right here, a small position with a stop down here, so you're not risking from a dollar standpoint. You're not really risking very much money at all. But then from a safety or a risk standpoint on the other side, you're getting a partial position, so you're going to get some capital appreciation. And then if the stock does break out and you're buying stock at that point, you're actually adding to a profitable position. And that's better than your initial entry, which could always lose you money right away. So anyway, that's how I'm looking at Palantir. It is, again, if you're buying it here, you are speculating. I'm just telling you, don't let anybody on Twitter, don't let me see anybody on Twitter or any place else giving me crap for saying, buy the stock right here. I'm not saying that. I'm saying watch the stock. I've given you a trading plan. If you choose to accept it, this message will self-destruct in 15 seconds. I'll see you next time.